Om Sai Ram. Let's meditate today on the glorious form of the Lord, who is in the form of light in front of us. As we meditate, let's bring the body, the senses, and mind under control. To bring our body under control, let's sit straight with both hands resting on our knees and bringing the thumb and index finger together, symbolizing our union with the Lord. Observe your breath, and as you do, repeat the words So Hum in your mind. As you fill your lungs with air, breathe in the word So, and then breathe out Hum, reminding you of its meaning, God I am. Now, visualize a lit candle in front of you with a gentle flame. Look on the flame steadily for some time. Now close your eyes and try to feel the flame inside you, between your eyebrows. Let the flame slide down into the lotus of your heart. As it enters the heart, imagine that the petals of this lotus unfold one by one, bathing every thought, feeling, and emotion in the light, and removing darkness from them. There is no space for darkness to hide. Imagine the light becoming wider, bigger, and brighter. Let it pervade your hands. Now you can never indulge in dark, suspicious, and wicked activities. These hands have become instruments of light and love. Move the flame slowly down to your feet. This light shines bright in your feet, ensuring that they take you to good places. Let the flame rise up and fill your stomach with this divine light. The light moves over and fills your back and your shoulders. Now, your body is filled with light, which gets brighter and brighter. Take this light to your eyes. As this flame shines bright in your eyes, you will see only what is good. Slowly, take the light to both of your ears and purify them, so that they hear only what is good. Take this light further to the region of your mouth and keep it on your tongue, and be blessed to always speak the truth. And finally, bring this light up to your head. There, the light transforms into a crown, enshrining and covering the head. Let your head be soaked with light, allowing all negative thoughts to flee. Imagine this light in you intensify. Let it shine all around you, and let it spread from you in ever-widening circles. Imagine this flame burning bright within all the members of your family. Imagine this flame burning bright in your neighbors, in the people of your locality, and in your friends and relations. Imagine this flame enveloping your enemies, all strangers, trees, animals, birds, the entire world. Stay in this moment and enjoy the beautiful light permeate the world with love. God, in whichever form you favor, is now no different to this all-pervasive light. This light is God. God is light. Now, when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and enjoy the bliss.
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ भगवान् श्री सत्य साई बाबाय नमः। 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 ॐ भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबाय नमः। ओम 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 भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबाय नमः। Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
An experience is to be experienced.
Right.
Any number of words, any number of feelings cannot explain that experience.
Right.
As it is very, very beautifully said in the Anandavalli, Sayeko manusha anandaha, teye shatam manusha anandaha, Sayeko manushya gandharvana manandaha. In this way, Anandavalli takes you through the different stages of Ananda, starting from Manushyananda to Manushya Gandharvananda, and through 9 different stages, and finally after Prajapati Ananda, Brihaspati Ananda, then it makes you reach Brahmananda. And each type of Ananda is 100-fold the previous type of Ananda.
Right.
So when you calculate Brahmananda, we find it is totally out of reach. For every small thing, as Swami tells, you keep telling Brahmanandam, Brahmanandam, but are we really experiencing it?
Right.
So when we talk of this experience, Ananda, Brahmananda, we shall have a small example or a small taste of that experience.
Right.
It happened with Kasturiji. Once when Kasturi Garu was with Swami in the interview room, Swami went into a deep trance. So when he went into the trance, Kasturi Garu kept observing him. After a while, when Swami returned from the trance, Kasturi Garu very, very lovingly asked, Swami, where did you go? Then Swami explained to him, there was a devotee in Dehradun. His name was Krishnamurti. He often came to Swami. His mother on her deathbed wanted to have a glimpse of the Lord. So in all his compassion and mercy, Swami went and granted her darshan. So as Swami was narrating this, Kasturi Garu asked Swami, Swami, can I note down these details on a piece of paper? Then Swami knew what was going on in his mind. He knew that he was not convinced. He told, yes, you note down all the details. Wait for another 3-4 days and you will get the confirmation. After 3-4 days, a letter had come to Swami. Swami didn't open it. He waited for Kasturi Garu to come. As Kasturi Garu entered, he told, Kasturi, check the letter and cross-verify it with your slip of paper where you have noted the details. And then when Kasturi Garu opened the letter, both the details were matching. And then Kasturi Garu burst out into joy. He told, we are with Bhagwan, Ananda, Ananda, and he left the place. He went to his home and he did not even bother to talk to his children. He told, Ananda, Ananda, we have seen Bhagwan, we have seen Bhagwan. He didn't eat anything, he didn't drink anything. And then the experience continued. After 3-4 days, when all the family members were stunned at what was happening, Swami came through during the bhajan time through the veranda and then asked their family members, how is Kasturi? Swami, he is totally lost. And then Swami told, when you know the truth, that is what happens to you. Don't worry, he will come back. And after a few days, Swami called him into the interview room, gave him prasadam, and he was back to normal. So that is the experience. So then, Anandavalli takes you through that levels of experience, and finally it tells, Yato vacho nivartante aprapya manasasaha. Neither walk, speech, nor the fathoming of your mind can explain that experience.
Vigneshwara
अष्टविनायक शुभानना सिद्धिविनायक शुभानना विघ्नेश्वरा गणनाथ गजानना पार्वती नंदन शुभानना मंगलमूर्ति श्री गणराय श्री गणराय जय गणराय श्री गणराय जय गणराय अष्टविनायक शुभानना सिद्धिविनायक शुभानना विघ्नेश्वरा गणनाथ गजानन
श्री साईनाथ गुरु गोविंद साईनाथ गुरु गोविंद श्री साईनाथ गुरु गोविंद साईनाथ गुरु गोविंद पतिपुरीश्वर जय गोविंद जय गोविंद पतिपुरीश्वर जय गोविंद पतिपुरीश्वर जय गोविंद प्रशांति निलया राधे गोविंद निलया राधे गोविंद प्रशांति निलया राधे गोविंद जय गुरु विठल गोविंद श्री गुरु जय गुरु विठल गोविंद श्री गुरु जय गुरु विठल गोविंद श्री गुरु जय गुरु विठल गोविंद श्री साईनाथ गुरु गोविंद श्री साईनाथ गुरु गोविंद पतिपुरीश्वर जय गोविंद पतिपुरीश्वर जय गोविंद प्रशांति निलया राधे गोविंद निलया राधे गोविंद श्री गुरु जय गुरु विठल 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 गोविंद श्री साईनाथ गुरु गोविंद
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी
कामकोटि निलये कामा काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी पतिपुराधीश्वरी साईश्वरी पतिपुराधीश्वरी साईश्वरी मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी कामकोटि निलये कामाक्षी मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी पतिपुराधीश्वरी साईश्वरी पतिपुराधीश्वरी साईश्वरी मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी
I am one, my Lord, I am one with thee. I am one in the truth of reality. I am one, my Lord, I am one with thee. I am one in the truth of reality. I am one with your love in the heart of me. I am one in peace and serenity.
I am one with your love in the heart of me. I am one in peace and
serenity. I am one, my Lord, I am one with thee. I am one with the beauty in all that I see.
I am one, my Lord, I am one with thee. I am one with the beauty in all that I see.
I am one with the grass, the flower and the tree. I am one with all life in harmony.
I am one with the grass, the flower and the tree. I am one with your life in harmony.
I am one, my Lord, I am one with thee. I am one in your light of divinity.
I am one, my Lord, I am one with thee. I am one in your light of divinity.
I am one with the sky, the earth and the sea. I am one with sight for eternity.
I am one with the sky, the earth and the sea. I am one with sight for eternity.
I am one with sight for eternity.
I am one with sight for eternity.
I am one, my Lord, I am one with thee. I am one in the truth of reality. I am one with your love in the heart of me. I am one in peace and serenity. I am one, my Lord, I am one with thee. I am one with the beauty in all that I see. I am one with the grass, the flower and the tree. I am one with the life in harmony. I am one, my Lord, I am one with thee. I am one in your light of divinity. I am one with
sweet sight for eternity.
मधुसूदना हरे माधवा
मधुसूदना हरे माधवा
मधुसूदना हरे माधवा
मधुसूदना हरे माधवा
श्री वासुदेवा जनार्दना
श्री वासुदेवा जनार्दना
श्री वासुदेवा जनार्दना
श्री वासुदेवा जनार्दना
हरे केशव नारायण
हरे केशव नारायण
हरे केशव नारायण
हरे केशव नारायण
श्री हरि गोविंद मनमोहना
श्री हरि गोविंद मनमोहना
श्री हरि गोविंद मनमोहना
श्री हरि गोविंद मनमोहना
जनार्दना जगत्पालना
जनार्दना जगत्पालना
जनार्दना जगत्पालना
जनार्दना जगत्पालना
दीनावना दुःखभञ्जना
दीनावना दुःखभञ्जना
दीनावना दुःखभञ्जना
दीनावना दुःखभञ्जना
अरविन्दलोचन आनन्दना
अरविन्दलोचन आनन्दना
अरविन्दलोचन आनन्दना
अरविन्दलोचन आनन्दना
श्री वासुदेवा जनार्दना
श्री वासुदेवा जनार्दना
श्री वासुदेवा जनार्दना
श्री वासुदेवा जनार्दना
मधुसूदना हरे माधवा
मधुसूदना हरे माधवा
श्री वासुदेवा जनार्दना
श्री वासुदेवा जनार्दना
श्री वासुदेवा जनार्दना
श्री वासुदेवा जनार्दना
हरे केशव नारायण
हरे केशव नारायण
श्री हरि गोविंद मनमोहना
श्री हरि गोविंद मनमोहना
जनार्दना जगत्पालना
जनार्दना जगत्पालना
दीनावना दुःखभञ्जना
दीनावना दुःखभञ्जना
अरविन्दलोचन आनन्दना
अरविन्दलोचन आनन्दना
श्री वासुदेवा जनार्दना
श्री वासुदेवा जनार्दना पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला पाहे
पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला पाहे
पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला पाहे
दीनानाथा करुणानाथा
दीनानाथा करुणानाथा
दीनानाथा करुणानाथा
दीनानाथा करुणानाथा
साईनाथ हरे
साईनाथ हरे
साईनाथ हरे
साईनाथ हरे
पंढरीनाथा पांडुरंगा
पंढरीनाथा पांडुरंगा
पंढरीनाथा पांडुरंगा
पंढरीनाथा पांडुरंगा
विठ्ठला पाहे
विठ्ठला पाहे
विठ्ठला पाहे
विठ्ठला पाहे
पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला पाहे
पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला पाहे
दीनानाथा करुणानाथा
दीनानाथा करुणानाथा
साईनाथ हरे
साईनाथ हरे
पंढरीनाथा पांडुरंगा
पंढरीनाथा पांडुरंगा
विठ्ठला पाहे
विठ्ठला पाहे
विठ्ठला पाहे
विठ्ठला पाहे
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पतिरंग विठ्ठल
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पतिरंग विठ्ठल
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल साईरंग विठ्ठल
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल साईरंग विठ्ठल
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पतिरंग विठ्ठल
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल पतिरंग विठ्ठल
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल साईरंग विठ्ठल
विठ्ठल विठ्ठल साईरंग विठ्ठल
पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला पाहे
सुब्रह्मण्यम सुब्रह्मण्यम षण्मुखनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यम 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 साईनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यम 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 षण्मुखनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यम शिव 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 सुब्रह्मण्यम हर 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 सुब्रह्मण्यम शिव शिव हर हर सुब्रह्मण्यम हर हर शिव शिव सुब्रह्मण्यम शिव शिव हर हर सुब्रह्मण्यम हर हर शिव शिव सुब्रह्मण्यम 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 षण्मुखनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यम 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 षण्मुखनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यम
ओम तत्सत् श्री नारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तु सिद्ध बुद्ध तु स्कंद सविता पावकतु सविता पावकतु ब्रह्ममस्तु यवशक्तितु येषु पिता प्रभुतु रुद्रविष्णुतु रामकृष्णतु रहीमतावतु रहीमतावतु वासुदेव गोविश्वरूपतु चिदानन्द हरितु अद्वितीयतु अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिङ्ग शिवतु आत्मलिङ्ग शिवतु आत्मलिङ्ग शिवतु.
Christian prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Muslim prayer. In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful, praise be to God, the cherisher and sustainer of the worlds. Most gracious, most merciful, master of the day of judgment. You do we worship, and your aid we seek. Show us the straight way, the way of those on whom you have bestowed your grace, those whose portion is not wrath, and who go not astray. Buddhist refuges. I take refuge in the Buddha. I take refuge in Dharma. I take refuge in the Sangha. Hindu prayer. The universal teacher is the creator. The universal teacher is the protector and sustainer. The universal teacher is the Almighty. The universal teacher is verily the supreme unmanifested one. To that Guru we offer our prostrations. Zoroastrian prayer. Just as the will of the ruler of the universe is supreme, so is the spiritual teacher supreme through his asha. The gifts of good mind are for those who do good deeds in the name of Mazda. The strength and power of Ahura are given to him who renders help and shelters the poor and needy. Jewish prayer. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. You shall love God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your resources. Let these matters which I command you today be upon your heart. Teach them thoroughly to your children, and speak of them while you sit in your home, while you walk on the way, when you retire, and when you arise. Amen.
ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా, దైవత్వం అనేటువంటిది లేని ప్రపంచం కానీ స్థానం కానీ లేదు.
Without divinity there is no world, there is no place
ప్రతి
for God.
అణువునందును ప్రతి కణమునందు కూడా దైవత్వమే ఉంటున్నాడు.
In every atom, in every cell there is God.
కనుకనే ప్రాచీనులందరూ కూడాను
So ancients,
సూక్ష్మమైనట్టి అణువున సూక్ష్మమగుచు
smaller than the smallest,
మేటి వస్తువునందున మేటియగుచు
bigger than the biggest,
అంతటను సర్వసాక్షి అయి అలరునట్టి
the one who stands there as an eternal witness.
ఆత్మయే అణువు, అణువునే బ్రహ్మమగును.
It is this Atma, and that Atma is divine Brahma.
కనుక ఆత్మనే అణువు, అణువునే బ్రహ్మ.
So this Atma is Anura.
బ్రహ్మ, అణువు, ఆత్మ మూడు కూడాను ఒక్కటే, పర్యాయ పదములు మాత్రమే దైవత్వానికి.
Therefore Atma, the atom and Brahma are synonymous.
కనుకనే దీనిని తెలుసుకోవడానికి సైంటిస్ట్ అంతా కూడాను ఈ యొక్క సర్వత్రా ఉన్నటువంటి యొక్క దివ్యతత్వం ఒక్కటే అని తెలుసుకోవడానికి 1000 సంవత్సరాలు పట్టింది.
Scientists have taken about 1000 years to know this principle of unity.
కానీ ఈనాడు వీడు తెలుసుకున్నటువంటిది చిన్న ఆవుకాయ అంత తెలుసుకున్నారు, గుమ్మడికాయ అంత అహంకార పడుతున్నారు.
Today they have known very little, but they have got the ego of the size of a pumpkin.
కానీ ఈ సత్యాన్ని కొన్ని వేల సంవత్సరముల పూర్వము,
This truth thousands of years
ఇప్పుడు
ago.
కలియుగము,
This is Kali Age.
పోయినది ద్వాపర యుగము,
The bygone one is Dwapara.
ముందు దానికి ముందు త్రేతాయుగము,
Prior to that Treta.
త్రేతాయుగం కంటే ముందుగా కృతయుగము, కృతయుగము లోపలనే చిన్న బాలుడైనటువంటి ప్రహ్లాదుడు ఈ తత్వాన్ని గుర్తించాడు.
Even before the Kruta age, Prahlada could know this truth.
ఇందు కలడు అందులేడని సందేహము వలదు, చక్రి సర్వోపగతుండు.
Prahlada said that he is here, and you cannot say that he is not there. God is
ఎందెందు
everywhere.
వెతకి చూచిన అందందే కలడు, కలడు కలడు.
Wherever you search for him, you find him there.
ఆనాడు ప్రహ్లాదుడే చెప్పాడు,
Prahlada said then,
ఎక్కడ చూసినా ఉన్నటువంటిది భగవతత్వమే,
it's divinity
ఎక్కడ
present
చూసినా
everywhere.
ఉన్నటువంటిది అనుతత్వమే.
It is this
ఈ
atom present
అణుతత్వమే
everywhere.
దైవత్వము.
This atomic power is divinity.
అణువులోన ఘనములోన ఉన్నది కూడా దైవత్వమే
It's in microcosm and
అనేటువంటి
macrocosm.
ఏకత్వాన్ని
Divinity is
గుర్తించడం
present.
చేతనే ఈ ప్రహ్లాదుడు అన్నిటినీ సాధించుకొని దేహాభిమానమును మర్చి చేతనే దైవత్వములో లీనం పొందాడు.
It's because of the essential unity, oneness that Prahlada could experience. He could give
దేహాభిమానమే
up his
ఉంటే
body attachment.
పర్వతం నుంచి కింద వేసే సమయంలో అయ్యో పడతానేమో అని భయం ఉంటుంటుంది, అతనికి లేదు. నారాయణ నారాయణ నారాయణ, ఆ నారాయణతోనే నవ్వుకుంటూ కింద పడ్డాడు.
He had no body attachment at all, because when he was thrown out of the mountain top, he didn't cry. He was not afraid of anything.
మదగజములు తెచ్చి త్రొక్కిస్తూ ఉంటుంటే అప్పుడు కూడా అయ్యో మదగజము త్రొక్కితే నేనేమైపోతాను అనే భయం లేదు. నారాయణ నారాయణ నవ్వుకుంటూనే ఉంటున్నాడు.
When mighty elephants were there and they were allowed to trample on his body, he was not
విషసర్పములు
fear-stricken.
తెచ్చి కనిపించుకుంటూ వచ్చారు.
Poisonous snakes were brought there.
కానీ దానిని చూచిన తక్షణమే పూలమాల మాదిరి తీసుకొని నారాయణ నారాయణ అన్నాడు.
He accepted the poisonous serpent as a garland, repeating God's name.
ఈ విధంగా కూడాను సర్వత్రా కూడాను దేహాభిమానమును వదలి దైవాభిమానంతోనే జీవిస్తూ వచ్చినాడు.
Prahlada lived without any body attachment. all the time.
అందువలనే ప్రతి అణువు కూడాను దైవమే అని
Therefore, every atom is God.
ప్రపంచానికి చాటుతూ వచ్చాడు.
He publicized to God, to the world.
ఆ గురువులంతా కూడాను
All those teachers,
ఆ యొక్క రాక్షస తండ్రి అయినటువంటి వాడి దగ్గరికి వచ్చి హిరణ్యకశిపుని దగ్గరికి,
they approached Hiranyakashipu the father.
అయ్యా ఏమిటి ఈ బిడ్డ యొక్క మహత్యము,
They said, what's the mystery behind this child?
కించిత్తైనా దేహాభిమానం లేదు,
He has no body attachment, even a fraction.
తన్ను నిశాచరు పొడువా
When he's attacked by the demons,
దైత్య కుమారుడు,
your son,
మాటి మాటికి ఓ పన్నగశాయి, ఓ ధనుజభంజన, ఓ మహాపన్న శరణ్య, అంచును తించెగాని.
when he was attacked by the demons, your son went on praising God.
తా కన్నుల నీరు తేడు, భయకంప సమేతుడు కాడు.
He had never shed a tear. He was
ఇంత
never
చిన్న పిల్లవాడికి
fear-stricken.
భయం అనేది లేదు,
This-
కంటి నీరు అనేది కార్చలేదు. ఆనందములతో తాను ఎంతో ఉత్సాహంగా ఉల్లాసంగా దైవచింతన చేస్తున్నాడు అన్నారు.
This boy never cried. He never shed a tear. He went on singing the glory of
అనగా
God.
దైవత్వాన్ని గుర్తించినటువంటి ప్రతి వ్యక్తికి కూడా నిరంతరము ఆనందమే తప్ప విచారం అనేటువంటిది ఏమాత్రము ఉండదు.
It only means the one who realized God would be in the state of bliss.
ఎవరు విచారం
continuously.
చేసేది? దేహాభిమానం గలవాడే విచారం చేసేది.
Who is worried usually? The one of
ఈ
body
దేహానికి
attachment worries.
సంబంధించినటువంటి కష్టములకు నష్టములకు దుఃఖములకు విచారములకు తాను చింతించి తాను విచారం
If
చేస్తుంటాడు.
he broods over the past, the losses and the difficulties he had, he goes on worrying.
దేహము ఒక ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్,
Body is an instrument.
ఇది పుట్టినది గిట్టక తప్పదు.
When the moment is born, it's bound
ఈ
to
పుట్టుకతో
die.
పాటు కూడాను గిట్టు కూడాను దీంతో చేరి వచ్చింది.
The birth will be followed by death.
కనుక ఎందుకు మనం విచారం చేయాలి?
Why should we worry?
ఏనాటికైనా తప్పింది కాదు.
We are bound to die someday.
అనేటువంటి సత్యాన్ని గుర్తించినటువంటి వ్యక్తికి నిరంతరము ఆనందము.
The one who realizes this truth will be in a state of bliss.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे. भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा. ओम जय जगदीश हरे. शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते. आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपद्बान्धवा. ओम जय जगदीश हरे. माता पिता गुरुदेवं मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे. नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नागेन्द्र शयना. ओम जय जगदीश हरे. ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी ओ साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा. मंगल आरती अंदुकु मंगल आरती अंदुकु मंदर गिरिधारी. ओम जय जगदीश हरे. नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ओम शांति 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 peace 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 on earth peace 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 for all the universe for all the universe for all the universe जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा